Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for NFT Treasure. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official Treasure NFT website. Once there, look for the menu icon, usually 3 small lines, and click it. This will reveal a list of options. Select Account to move forward. On the next page, you will find a Sign Up button. Click this to start your registration process. It's a straightforward first step to begin your journey. Next, you will complete the registration form. Choose a unique username and create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. You'll also need to provide your phone number and a valid email address. If you have a referral code, be sure to enter it for possible extra benefits. After filling out the form, check your email for a verification code and enter it to confirm your account. This step is crucial for activating your profile. To fully engage with the platform, you'll want to connect a cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. This allows for seamless Web3 interactions. Next, you can deposit funds into your account. Treasure NFT supports deposits using UST on networks such as TRC20 or BSC, with a minimum deposit of 10 UST. For added protection, it is highly recommended to activate two-factor authentication. These steps prepare your account for secure trading. With your account set up and funded, you are ready to explore the Treasure NFT marketplace. Navigate your personal dashboard to discover diverse NFT collections and digital assets available for trade. You can participate by reserving NFTs to buy and then listing them to sell, aiming for trading profits. The platform also offers community features and support to enhance your overall experience. Enjoy discovering and trading unique digital items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.